Orgasms are like fireworks in the brain. They involve many parts of the brain working together. Scientists are very interested in understanding how this works. This is because it helps us learn about pleasure, desire, and relationships. Our brains have two main parts, the subcortical part and the cortical part. The subcortical part is older and controls basic functions like breathing and heart rate. It also plays a role in sexual desire. The cortical part is newer and helps with thinking and decision-making. During sex, both the subcortical and cortical parts of the brain are active. This means that we are both feeling and thinking during sex. This complex interplay of brain activity is what makes sexual experiences so powerful and enjoyable. When we orgasm, our brains release a mix of chemicals. These chemicals create the intense pleasure and relaxation we feel. They also play a role in bonding and intimacy. One important chemical is dopamine. Dopamine is often called the feel-good chemical. It is released when we do things that are pleasurable, like eating or having sex. Another important chemical is oxytocin. Oxytocin is sometimes called the love hormone. It is released during physical touch, cuddling, and orgasm. Oxytocin helps us feel connected to our partners. Finally, our brains release endorphins during orgasm. Endorphins are natural painkillers. They also create feelings of euphoria. This helps explain why orgasm can be such a powerful and positive experience. The brain changes during orgasm are sometimes compared to what happens with heroin use. This is because both experiences involve the release of dopamine and endorphins. These chemicals activate the brain's reward system. This system makes us want to repeat pleasurable experiences. However, it is important to remember that orgasm and heroin use are very different. Orgasm is a natural and healthy part of life, while heroin use is addictive and dangerous. Heroin floods the brain with artificial endorphins, leading to intense euphoria. This feeling is much stronger than what the body can produce naturally. Over time, the brain becomes dependent on heroin. This makes it very difficult to stop using the drug. Understanding the science of orgasm is important for many reasons. It helps us understand the biology of pleasure and desire. It also sheds light on the importance of intimacy and connection in our lives. Knowing how our brains work during sex can help us have more enjoyable sexual experiences. It can also help us build stronger relationships with our partners. When we understand the power of these brain chemicals, we can better appreciate the importance of physical touch and intimacy. This knowledge can help us create more loving and fulfilling relationships.